So I've got a problem here of converting 491 into base 2 and base 3. Now this is in base 10 at the moment, and let's do a very quick, simple explanation of what base 10 is. It uses the headings 1, 10, 100, 1000, and so on. So when I actually see the number 491, it's made up of 4 hundreds, 9 tens, and 1 1. 491. Where do I get these headings from? Well, this is 10 to the power of 0. This is 10 to the power of 1. This is 10 to the power of 2, and so on. And that's base 10, what we use in everyday life. But I want base 2. So I'm going to think about the headings being 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, it's 2, obviously, and 2 to the power of 2, and so on. So my place headings become 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 2, 5, 6. Now the next one is 512, but it's bigger than 491, so I don't need it. The next thing I want to think about is what digits can I use in base 10? I can use from 0 to 9. I don't have a symbol for 10. When I get to 10, I use the digits 1 and 0. So that's in base 10, 0 to 9. In base 2, I can only use the digits 0 and 1. So what I'm going to do is under each place heading, I'm going to pick up how many I need. To make 491, I need one of these 256. Now what I need to do is get a calculator, or do this on paper, is do 491, take away 256. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to put the calculator on the screen. I've got a calculator that I'm up with now. So 491 take away 256 is 235. Now 235, I clearly need one of these. So I'm going to take away 128, and I'm left with 107. I need one of these. So I'm going to take away 64 on my calculator. I need one of these, because that was 43. And now I've got 32. Take away the 32, I've got 11. So I don't need any of these, but I've got to make up 11. So I'm going to have one of those. Now I've got 3 left. I don't need any of those. I need one of those and one of those. So 1, 2, 8, 32, 64, 128, and 256. That makes 491. So let's do a similar, let's convert it into base 3. So I need my headings to be 3 to the power of 0. I need 3 to the power of 1. I need 3 to the power of 2. I need 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 4. And I'm also going to need 3 to the power of 5. Now all those you can check on your calculator, of course. Now 491, if I take away 243, I'm left with 248. But I can actually have not just one of these. If I'm in base 3, I can have 2 of these, because I can use the digits 0, 1, and 2. So I'm going to take away from 491, I'm going to take away 2 lots of 243. I'm left with 5. So I don't want any of these. I don't want any of these. I don't want any of these. I want one of these and 2 of these. Now this will work for any base at all. You can convert decimal numbers into any base. There's no limit. There's no numbers you cannot write in base 2. There's no numbers you cannot write in base 3.